Okay, everybody, good evening. This is the Balloon Bandit with Amusement with a Twist Orlando, and this is a remake of yesterday's video per request. Um, this is the smallest I can make it. As you can see, uh, it is a normal, everyday quarter, and I can put it in front of him, and he almost disappears. And under him, he's the length of. So, give me a second and we'll see if we can't move this around so everybody can see. Okay, and that right there is the smallest that I can twist a balloon dog right there. But in the challenge, Happy Cabby actually used a 260 to do it. I can come pretty close to this with a 260. It's a little harder to do. So here we go. Doing the same exact twists. It all comes down to being able to grab it real close to the end or whatever, and being able to keep it. That's the whole issue. There's one. Oh, no. There's two. No. Like I said, it is really hard to do it real small with a 260 because you gotta look at, you got a lot of extra balloon that you're trying to play with, and the knots in the balloon are a little bigger, and it untwists just as fast as you can twist it. I had four, now I have to try and retwist this one. And sometimes that's the easier way to do it too, is once you get them twisted, to go back and just twist the other ones in halves in order to get the smallest. So now we got four. We're gonna twist three, and that's the nose of the dog per Happy Cabby's design. So I'm gonna turn the nose so it faces down, as you can see. Okay. Vanessa wants to say hi, everybody. She doesn't get on video camera very often, but she's definitely photogenic. She loves cameras. Okay, twist two. Even though Cabby had four paws, in order to get the smallest, you just twist the two that makes the lower paws. Yep. Thank you. Then the body. If everybody can see, I got the body. Then one. She's talking about her hair or something. Okay, then twist two after your body. And flip him into place before you do his tail, because once you do his tail, you can't back out. So if you've done him right, you should have bubble head, and then the 2 feet, the little body, the 4 total on the bottom on the feet, and then if you did it right, you should have just enough for a bubble for his tail. Okay. That's my scrappy dog, or whatever you want to call it. But I didn't use a piece of scrap to do it. I used a full balloon. Okay. Well, that was in regards to Happy Cabby's Can You Make a Smaller Dog Than Mine? Using his design to make it. Yesterday's balloon dogs are like still here. As you can see, I got the full poodle with the ear twisted front paws and back paws, and the big bubble to show it was a 260 from the other video. I have the original small dog. Like I said, I can't make him anymore, but as you can see, he is just shy of the quarter. But that's him. And then I have the brown dog that was twisted in the video, if I can figure out where his nose is. Okay, his nose was here, which has the nozzle still attached. You cut that off, twist that, put that, push his legs down, and voila. But that's my video for can you make a smaller dog than me or mine? And that's the best I can do. I can't get any smaller because the bubbles won't hold. Okay, have a great one. Take care.